Hello guys, let me show you how to create a YouTube channel to start earning money by creating content. Okay, once you are in the Chrome browser here, just click on this profile here. Now click on sign in. Okay, create a new account. Okay, just say for work or business. Okay, once you've successfully registered your email and created your account, now just go there and click the icon again. Okay, now go to your channel, then create the channel. Now you see, you can see your channel here and everything. This is your channel. You can click on the about info and see everything. This is a new channel that we've just created through the steps that I've shown you.